course, the Forgiatos. You got the floating caps in there, always right side up. Caddy comes back in for a hand wax. Look at this. Look at how dirty I look. I look homeless. Let me run in here and get a little haircut real quick. Get cleaned up. Your boy's got to get dialed in real quick, so give me a second. And just like that, check me out. Your boy's cleaned up. What's going on, YouTube? So if you guys saw my last video, I was showing you a Demon 170 as well as that McLaren on Forgiato Wheels. Today, we're going back to Auto Enhancement Pros. My buddy Al's already got new stuff in. The McLaren's gone. He got something else in that he's working on. So we're going to swing by, check it out. I'm bringing you guys along. Let's see what my boy Al's working with. Because you guys know he's always got something in that shop that I got to check out. I got to get a video for you guys. So take a little ride with me. We're going there right now. We'll be there in 15 minutes. Let's see what Al's working with in the shop today. There you have it. Reserved for Auto Enhancement Pros. The Lincoln is super dirty right now. I really need to get this thing cleaned ASAP. It is never this dirty. Ooh, he's got an aviator, it looks like, in. It's actually my first time, I think, seeing one up close. In white. Okay. For my Lincoln fans out there, we got a little aviator action. Not bad. Not bad. All right, let's get in here and see what we got going on. All right, so we're back. I see some Forgiatos. I see a Porsche. I see, what do we got over here? We got an old school Caddy.
Cadillac Eldorado.
Official pace car, 57th annual Indianapolis 500-mile race.
30,000 miles. Look at the red guts.
Oh my God.
Beautiful.
You know what our dads would say? They don't make them like this anymore.
Look at the steel bumpers.
Isn't it? And then like you fuel it behind the license plate, right? Doesn't it like flip down?
Yep. This one
That's
goes
like,
up.
That's like old school, man. Yeah. So this was the actual Caddy used in the Indy 500.
Yes,
right?
sir.
It was a pace car in the actual Indy 500.
Yep, back in 73, May 28th.
So he's got the date on there. Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Crazy. Piece of history right here. Huge hood, huge heavy hood.
Look at this. The detail.
Yeah, they got just that big bumper. Yeah, man, there's no mistaking it for a Cadillac. And then we got over here. So you got the old school, and then this is 100% electric, right?
Yeah, 100% electric Porsche Taycan.
Look at this thing.
Sitting on them Forgiatos.
The Forgiato wheels on there. Look how big the brakes are on there, huh? Crazy, dude. Could you open it up? You got the key? Let's take a little look at the interior real quick. Look at those Forgiatos, man. Oh my God. "100% electric." Now, electric cars, they're really not my thing. Al,
not a big fan, but I will say this thing looks outstanding. The color combo with the wheels and how it sits, it is a great looking vehicle. Check this out.
let me see.
That's where you charge it. It has it on both sides.
So it's just touch like sensitive. And look at that front end, man. That thing is just mean.
Aggressive.
Hit the unlock for the lights, just so I can see those. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, that looks sharp.
I mean, that is just absolute insanity there. So you're going to be moving this one. He's moving this one because you're waxing this, right?
Yep, we're going to do a hand wax on there.
So you're doing a full hand wax. This one's going over there. You've been hustling, man. We just had you on the last video. So
yeah.
Al literally, he had the McLaren. You brought the McLaren back last night
when I got done with it, and then I picked this one up, brought it back to the shop.
And he drove, a lot of you guys might not be familiar, but you drove quite a bit. He drove all the way to the city from the south suburbs of Chicago. So you have been absolutely
working.
Al's tired. He's feeling worn out, but this is what it is. I mean,
this is what it is. It's the grind, baby.
When you have passion, like you have so much passion for doing this, you know, I mean, to you, it's like, it's a lot of work, yes, but he's a hustler. He's got it. I know he's got it. He's good for it. So he's moving that one. He's got to move these cars around. We got to get some space worked out here. But yeah, look at this. Crazy, crazy. That must be for like the radar camera in the front. He's got a front camera there. Of course, the Forgiatos. You got the floating caps in there, always right side up. And this color, how about it, huh? Get a shot of the back here so you guys can see. Crazy, crazy, crazy cars. Still got the Trackhawk up there. The 7-Up Mustang. This what is this, the Can-Am? I always forget them. I think that's the Can-Am. And then we got the Trans Am. So we got a lot of stuff in motion here right now.
Baby.
Crazy. And now the Caddy comes back in and that'll be it. Just another day in the office.
Another day here.
And the Caddy comes back in for a hand wax. Under 40,000 miles. That's crazy. For all my old school luxury, American luxury guys, this is right up your alley right here. Unbelievable. All right, so that's it. He's got the Caddy pulled up. He's gonna start doing his thing on it here shortly. He's getting
real quick, show these people what we're using.
What are we using?
Say it, Nick.
It's the McGuire's, what's this say? Mirror Glaze, Professional Show Car Glaze.
Number 7.
What's number 7?
Number 7 in the lineup.
He's gonna get this thing. I mean, that's a big car if you're hand waxing that thing good.
Oh yeah.
But
all right, though.
He's gonna take care of it. I'm gonna get out of his hair. So you guys saw it. The Porsche aftermarket, again, the Forgiato Wheels. The big boat, old school luxury, American luxury, Eldorado. And not even just any Eldorado, the official pace car of the Indy 500. So that's kind of crazy. The red interior. So that's gonna be it. I'm gonna get out of here. Al's got more than enough work cut out for him, so
yes, sir.
I don't wanna keep him too long. But yeah, I always gotta drop in and show you guys what's going on. If you guys are enjoying the content, if you're enjoying these behind the scene videos of Al and his shop and seeing what he gets in here, drop a comment below, give it a thumbs up, all that good stuff. I'm gonna try to make it like a continuous series where I'm popping in here, and because as you can see, he's constantly getting stuff out of here and getting stuff in, and vice versa. So yeah, if you guys want to keep seeing videos like that, show some love, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you guys on the next video.